Level 1, we call it skills for living because it actually gives you skills for living. It's a weekend workshop, so 2 days. There's a Friday night kickoff for a couple hours, but really level 1 is about learning to feel experientially. So the thing I talked about where you can read a lot of books and understand it, it's kind of like reading a book about swimming is completely different than jumping in a pool. So what level 1 does, at least you're putting your foot in the pool. Level 2 is more like jumping into the pool. And that's kind of feeling, once you have the feeling sense of what this energy thing is in your body and understanding how that is, manipulating it and being able to play with it. Because you can't play with anything until you can feel it. And level 1 is really about experientially feeling energy. And level 2, which you didn't ask about, but I'll talk about too a little bit, is then what do you do with that ability to feel energy? So in level 1, we learn things like the first gate. We learn an amazing balance called the circulation of light, which actually helps bring light energy into the body. We learn some hand skills that we teach, radiance, resonance, magnetism, that allow you to, even just after that weekend, have skills that you can do personally to apply to your friends, to your family, to yourself. In addition to that, and probably most importantly, we learn some ancient meditations to really still the mind and open the heart, because that's really the foundation of the hand skills for AcuEnergetics, is really stillness and being able to basically train your attention in a way that you can feel more, and by feeling more, you can help to restore energetic flow in yourself and in others. Level 2 is really about, once you've gone through level 1 and learn how to feel experientially and what that's about, you can start to manipulate it a little bit more. So what we do in level 2 is completely different than level 1, in the sense that in level 2, you're on the tables basically, and you're giving and or receiving balances. We teach 6 new balances in level 2, and these balances are things that help from tension in the hips to pain in the back area to releasing held emotions and traumas in our lives. So it's really something that experientially you can go through as a student, but also then learn to apply to, again, your friends and family after the course. When you learn to feel in level 1, you're amazed at this energy that's all around you. It's like fish swimming in water. You can start to feel the water. In level 2, it's like, well, so what? What can you do with that? And in level 2, we really feel what blockages start to feel like, and how to restore flow in specific areas and sequences in the body so that pain can go away, because pain really is electrical, and it's an electrical blockage. In level 2, we take the hand skills that we learned in level 1 and apply them in a specific way to help restore the flow where there's an electrical blockage. And our mantra in AcuEnergetics is restore flow, restore function. We don't heal anyone. We help facilitate healing because we understand where energy can be blocked, and we can feel those blockages, and we help to restore flow. Thus the mantra, restore flow, restore function.